Bogg bag, which offers an array of bags and accessories, says that it's achieved $100 million in sales in 2024. And joining me now for more on this is Bogg bag founder Kim Vaccarella. She's here in studio with some bags. Kim, thank you so much for joining.
Of course, thank you for having me.
Okay, so we know that this bag, your items have been extremely popular, especially on social media. So what do we have here on set?
So this is our biddy bag. This is the third bag in our collection. We started with our largest bag, which is our original, and then we went to a baby bag, which is more of a medium bag, and then the biddy bag has been super, super popular.
Yeah. Now it seems like it would be a very flexible material in the sense that it is sturdy, but like if something spilled on it, it would be able to be durable and hold up. What can you tell us about like the infrastructure of these bags?
Yeah, so when I created Bogg bag, I wanted something that was washable, something that would hold all the things, would be durable and sturdy, and most importantly, the sides wouldn't collapse in.
Yep.
When I was going to the beach with my kids when they were younger, all the stuff would fall out of the bag and into the sand, making it impossible.
Yeah. Okay, so we have this as well. What can you tell us about this bag?
So this is, a cosmetic bag, an organizing bag, an everything bag, but our customers have been loving it. This went wild on social media recently because there's so many uses for it. You can use this on its own, or you can put it inside of your Bogg bag to keep smaller items within reach.
I like that. Okay, we have a few more surprises. So drum roll, please. We're going to take a wide shot. We've got this bag as well. And we'll put it this way because it has a nice, cool cup holder. Yeah. Kim, what is this bag best for? By the way, I love the tie-dye design.
Yes, this is our Sugar Rush collection and well received as well. This is our Bevy cup holder, so this will hold all of your drinks.
How clever is that?
A cup of coffee, a water bottle, whatever it is. And this is our baby Bogg bag.
Yes.
So what we're seeing is in our large Bogg bag, which I'll just give you a quick, because it's very big and takes up the whole screen.
Yeah.
But this is our original Bogg bag. This is going to carry everything for the day. The baby Bogg bag, people are using it for work, for school. Teachers and nurses love this size because they can put it in. I use this size because I put my laptop in it and I don't have to worry about when I put it down on the ground that it's going to fall over.
Okay, let's take a look at that big one because there are some accessories that I think are pretty cool. Maybe you can even pull off the topper here.
Yeah. So this is our Bogg topper.
Yep.
This is so fun. I couldn't wait for this to come out. It sits right on top of your original Bogg bag. It has 4 cup holders and then a little charcuterie area in case you want to get fancy on the beach.
Now that's nice.
Yes.
And then flip that around because on the other side there's this
Of course,
thing
we need a cell phone holder.
Oh, a cell phone holder.
This is called Call Your Bogg.
Yep.
And it's a cell phone holder that fits any size cell phone, and it just keeps it in reach.
Amazing, and they can stack and stack and stack, and it looks like that one right there would fit a beach towel perfectly.
Oh, many beach towels.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta ask you, these are so cool. Are you exclusively manufacturing in the U.S.?
No, unfortunately, we're currently manufacturing in China. We took the necessary steps and we went to Sri Lanka and we went to Vietnam in January. We found viable options there, started the sampling process, got everything rolling, and then the news came out that Vietnam and Sri Lanka were hit 46% and 44% respectively.
Yes.
And then China just kept going up. So we're really
including today.
Yes, exactly. So every time I feel like I'm talking about it, it goes up again. So it's so hard in this uncertainty to figure out what we're going to do. We're keeping our relationships with our Vietnam factories and our Sri Lanka factories open, and just seeing where to go next.
Okay, so you're able to be flexible when it comes to manufacturing, but how is this impacting prices? The prices that you pay and the prices that your consumers are paying? Well,
right now we're looking at 145% additional tariff. I have tons of containers on the water, so those would all essentially be hit because the tariff is going to pop in once they get cleared.
Right.
So we're, bonded storage. What are the options? So we're looking at all of the different options. Do we hold shipments behind that the amount of containers that we have coming in? I believe there's 45, and then we have another 100 containers on order.
Yeah.
So where do we go from here?
So all of these are questions that you're considering.
Yes.
Where do you want to take Bogg bag from here? Ideally, what are your goals?
Well, listen, it's, with everything else that's going on, it's business as usual, right? We need to keep bringing our customers and our stores new product, fun and exciting designs, new accessories to go along with their Bogg bag. So we're going to continue doing that, and just hope for the best that all of this will work out.
Yeah. Well, they are really nice bags, I must say. They do seem very durable, great for a family, great for anyone on the go, and great for what might be a rainy day here in New York City. They
Easter
can just...
baskets. Right now, everybody's using them for Easter baskets, so it's fantastic.
That's so fun. I'm sure social media has been very important probably in your growth strategy.
Absolutely, absolutely. Talking to the customers, seeing how they're using Bogg bags. I mean, it was originated as a beach bag, but then it became so much more than a beach bag. It's the everything bag.
Yeah. All right. Well, if people want to find it, what's the best way to buy one of these bags?
So we're on boggbag.com. We're in 9,500 doors across the country, from major retailers to specialty retailers. We love when you support our small businesses that carry us. So there's a lot of options.
Kim Vaccarella, she's a founder of Bogg Bag, here with some really cool bags. Kim, thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.